guys, so check out the result of my gas tank. It's been drying for about a week now, and this is the final result. The texture of the gas tank. It's not bad. I guess it'll last for another couple years. I had to make sure that I get all inside here. Where the two metal meets, you want to make sure you get your sealant in here, otherwise it will rust and start eating under the protection there. Yeah, I think I dented this way back, so it's kind of there now. I will be wrapping the top of this tank with Dynamat. That way when it butts up to the chassis, it's not vibrating as hard, I guess. Here's the gas tank filler neck. This was really rusty, so I took care of that. Give it a good sandblast. Also treated with muric acid. Mint, brand new. Okay guys, so that's the result of my gas tank. If you want to see more of this content, let me know in the comment below. Hit the like button. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully this helps you guys with your project. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll share my knowledge, I guess, whatever I know. So anyways, until next time, have a good one.